The Volkswagen Polo V 2009-2017 features a factory-installed speed limiter, LIM, designed to prevent unintentional speeding. It's a safety feature that caps your vehicle's speed, distinct from cruise control, which maintains a set speed. This system uses sensors and ECU to monitor speed and intervene when limits are exceeded. Recent software updates enhance integration with apps for dynamic settings, maintaining regulatory compliance. The speed limiter controls are accessed through the instrument cluster or touchscreen. The LIM system in the Volkswagen Polo V relies on sensors throughout the vehicle to continuously monitor driving speed. Wheel speed sensors detect rotational speed, while other sensors provide additional data to ensure accurate speed calculation. This sensor data is sent to the Engine Control Unit, or ECU, which is the car's central computer. The ECU analyzes the information in real time and compares it against the set speed limit programmed into the LIM system. When the vehicle approaches or exceeds the set speed limit, the LIM activates automatically. It restricts further acceleration by reducing the engine's throttle response, preventing the driver from exceeding the programmed maximum speed. To access the LIM feature, use the Instrument Cluster's Multifunction Display, or MFD. Press the menu button on the steering wheel, then navigate using the OK button to select settings and activate the speed limiter. In Volkswagen Polo V models from 2013 onwards, the LIM can also be accessed through the touchscreen infotainment system. Tap the Vehicle menu, then select Driving Modes to set or adjust the speed limiter settings. To enable the LIM speed limiter, first start the car. Navigate to Settings or Trip Computer using the steering wheel buttons. Select LIM or speed limiter from the menu. Set your desired speed limit using the plus and minus buttons. Confirm the setting to activate the speed limiter. On touchscreen models, find the speed limiter under Vehicle, then Driving Modes. To temporarily disable the speed limiter, press the LIM off button if your vehicle is equipped with it, which is often found on GTI trims, or hold the Set button within the speed limiter menu. For full disabling of the speed limiter, dealer tools or ECU reprogramming are typically required, as the system is hard-coded for safety to prevent tampering. Disabling the speed limiter may trigger a warning light on the dashboard, void your vehicle's warranty, and potentially cause fault codes in the diagnostic system. The speed limiter in the Volkswagen Polo V operates within a range of 20 to 155 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 30 to 250 kilometers per hour. The limiter can be adjusted in increments of 1 mile per hour, allowing precise control over the maximum speed. In stock form, the speed limiter cannot be fully removed due to safety regulations designed to prevent overspeeding and promote road safety. Some owners use OBD2 scanners for customization, but this is not recommended as it may affect vehicle warranty and safety systems. Volkswagen released over-the-air updates for 2014-2017 Polo V models with MIB systems. These updates enhance the LIM interface, allowing integration with smartphone apps for dynamic speed setting based on road conditions. Ensure your car has the latest software via VW's WeConnect app where applicable. Speed limiters are increasingly integrated with advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. These systems use sensors like radar and cameras to create adaptive limits that respond to driving conditions in real time. Variable speed limiters are now linked to GPS through integrations like CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows the system to automatically set limits based on current road speed restrictions, providing seamless compliance without manual input. Future systems will auto-adjust speed limits based on weather conditions and traffic data. For example, limits can decrease during heavy rain or congestion, then increase as conditions improve, enhancing safety and efficiency. Environmental trends favor speed limiters for improved fuel efficiency. By maintaining optimal speeds, vehicles reduce fuel consumption and emissions, contributing to sustainability goals in modern driving. Experts emphasize the LIM speed limiter as a crucial driver aid that enhances safety without being overly restrictive. Automotive journalist Jeremy Clarkson has praised VW's implementation for saving lives, while VW engineers see it as a foundation for advanced future systems. Safety experts from the European Transport Safety Council advocate for mandatory speed limiters in all vehicles. Statistics reveal that 78% of EU VW owners enable speed limiters regularly. Research shows these systems reduce fatal accidents by 12%, though 15% of Polo V owners report occasional false activations due to factors like steep inclines. Important considerations include that aftermarket modifications to disable the LIM can void your vehicle warranty and trigger ECU fault codes. Always prioritize safety and legal compliance over performance modifications. In conclusion, the LIM speed limiter serves as a valuable safety feature in the VW Polo V. When considering modifications, take into account expert recommendations and statistical evidence to make informed decisions that prioritize both safety and vehicle integrity.